In this video, I'm going to show you literally dozens of ways that you can earn absolutely free Bitcoin, whether you're a seasoned Bitcoiner or a complete neophyte that has never used Bitcoin. And best of all, I'm going to teach you how you can earn that Bitcoin on Lightning Network. Stick around. This video is brought to you by voltage.cloud. More on them a little bit later. Greetings, my fellow honey badgers. Jonathan Levy here, and I apologize for the hoarse voice. I've been creating content for all of you all day long, and I lost my voice. You know, in the past, I've done a bunch of videos on progressively more and more awesome ways for you to earn free Bitcoin over Lightning Network. And I think, unfortunately, this is going to be the last one of those videos, because in this video, I'm going to share with you an absolutely awesome resource. And shout out to Bobby from Voltage for letting me know about this all new website, which lists out and ranks all the different ways that you can earn new Bitcoin free online, and ranks the different ways, for example, if you need Bitcoin to earn Bitcoin or if you can start from zero. And before we dive into the website itself and I show it to all of you, I want to talk about why this is important, because you see, yeah, earning free Bitcoin, getting free money, that's all really cool and all wonderful, but that's not why I'm creating so many videos about how to earn free Bitcoin. You see, ultimately, what I'm really interested in, especially right now during this bear market, is getting people off zero. It's expanding the usage of Bitcoin, expanding adoption, and turning Bitcoin from an investment asset class, which it is today, into an actual functioning, thriving, living, breathing currency. And the way we do that is we get more people using and accepting it. Now, in my experience, over 7 years of being interested in Bitcoin and 5 years of being really passionate about it, the best way to get people interested in Bitcoin and learning about Bitcoin is to get them off zero. In other words, go from having zero Bitcoin to some Bitcoin. And the best way to do that, especially if they're skeptical, they don't yet understand it, they don't yet trust it, is for them to earn some Bitcoin for free, whether it's 10 sats or 10,000 sats. And that's why I want to share all these different resources for getting Bitcoin. And I want to encourage each and every one of you to share this video with a no coiner. Yes, if you're a no coiner, that's what we call people who don't have any Bitcoin or any crypto. I'm against crypto, but that's another topic for another video. I want you to share this video with a no coiner and tell them that they can earn some free Bitcoin sent directly to a Lightning wallet of their choice. I did a whole video on how to get started with Lightning Network, and tell them to try it out. Tell them to experience this thing called Bitcoin and Lightning Network, and tell you honestly, look you in the face and say that this isn't the future. In fact, I'm going to be doing a video all about why Lightning Network is the future, and all about how Lightning Network is so much more than just a payments network. So if you want to learn about that, you want to learn what the big iceberg is behind Lightning, make sure that you're subscribed. That video will be coming out very, very soon. Now, on to the website that I want to share with all of you today that I just learned about today. It is called StackSats. The website is StackSats.how. You can just hit the link in the description to go there. And what's cool about this website is they have devoted themselves to keeping an up-to-date index of all the different ways that you can earn free Bitcoin. And some of these you probably already know because I've done videos in the past on Amboss Magna. I recently did a wonderful video that people really liked about Sats Back, but I had no idea how many different ways there were to earn Bitcoin. And so many of them, as you can see with this green tag, you can start without sats, meaning you can earn sats or satoshis, the smallest denomination of Bitcoin. Really quickly, before I dive in any deeper, I just want to let you all know about today's video sponsor and the reason I'm able to produce these videos, Voltage. Now, voltage.cloud is a node as a service provider. You can think of them kind of like Amazon Web Services, but for full-scale Bitcoin Lightning nodes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jonathan, you have so many videos about how to run my own node at home and take self-sovereignty. And yes, you should be running your own node in your own home. I run one, the folks at Voltage even run one, and they encourage people to run their nodes. So why does a service like Voltage exist? Well, if you are building on Lightning Network, you're creating a business, or For example, you're doing a large-scale project like the one that I am hopefully going to be doing in the next few months with the members of the Kwame Sperksproot Village in South Africa. You need an enterprise-grade node, and a Raspberry Pi is not going to cut it. Now, of course, you could do all the work to patch together all the different pieces of software from Bitcoin Core to your LND client to all the different apps like LNBits, BTC Pay Server, blah, 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 and build all of that. Or you could spend time actually building your app and building your business. Voltage is a one-click solution, which for a low monthly fee will give you an enterprise-grade node with world-class security. They power some of the most popular services and ones that I've covered on this video and many others, such as Mash, Amboss, Carrot, Fountain, and more. And best of all, they make it easy. They get all the infrastructure part out of the way so you can focus on building your business, building your Lightning app, building your following, or whatever it is that you want to actually do on Lightning Network besides managing your own node. Oh, and one other thing, they have one-click apps that you can use to set up BTC Pay Server, and they even have services where they will automatically rebalance your nodes and manage your channels for you. So to check them out, click the link in the description below or go to voltage.cloud. All right, let's get back to the video. You can earn sats so many different ways by playing games, filling out surveys, getting tips, mining Bitcoin. You can read articles. Check this one out. Read articles and earn Bitcoin in exchange for reading articles. I also love this one. On my website, I actually offer coaching that you can check out if you want to book a one-on-one coaching session with me to get your Lightning node operating or security or whatever. And I use a weird workaround solution with BTC Pay and my calendar scheduler. LNCal just allows people to pay you in sats and then has a full calendar scheduler like Calendly or Acuity or whatever baked right into it. Wow, this is so cool, and I'm totally going to try this out. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to try this out if I end up offering coaching through this LNCal. And that's just a couple of these. And here's the crazy thing that I think is awesome. They also have a newsletter. So as they're discovering, I mean, they're working on this full time. As they're discovering new ways every single week for you to earn new sats, you get an email with a summary. This is going to be like my go-to resource for reviewing different services. There are a lot of these, honestly, most of these that I've never even heard of. And so my mind was blown. I'm not even going to go into every single one of these and what they do and how they work. I just wanted to alert you all of this website so you can check it out and see, some of you don't use Twitter. Well, then Tweetoshi's not going to be for you. Some of you don't like gaming. I don't like playing games. I feel like it's a waste of my time. So Lolly's not going to be for me. But many of these are incredible. I personally use Albi. Here's a little logo right here where you can tip me on Albi if you enjoy this video. I use BTC Pay Server. I did a whole video on SatsBack, and I've earned over 50,000 Satoshis just from using SatsBack for my online shopping. So I want to encourage you all to check this website out. I'm going to put a link in the description below. You can start earning sats, but again, for those of you who are already Bitcoiners, that's not the big takeaway here. The big takeaway here is you can get your friends who don't yet believe in Bitcoin to earn sats, and most of these allow them to start without sats, meaning if they have 0 sats, they don't need to invest any sats to earn sats. You can get them playing games and earning Bitcoin. And that's how we orange pill the next generation of Bitcoiners, is by getting them to experience what it's like to earn Bitcoin in a game instead of useless points or carrots or credits that are good for nothing. This is real money that they can earn. And when they see how powerful Lightning Network is, because it's programmatic money that can be built in, that can be sent at fractions of a penny for transactions that were never commercially viable before Lightning Network, that's when the light bulb's going to go off. That's when the pin is going to drop. And that is when people are going to start saying, whoa, this is the future of money. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure to like and subscribe. Consider checking out our memberships below to get exclusive access to the latest content and behind the scenes of these videos. Thanks for watching and take care.